How to increase credit limit in Capital One. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your credit limit in Capital One. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here in the search bar, type in capitalone.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Capital One. Here, to increase the credit limit, first of all, you will need to ensure that you are eligible for it. You will need to ensure that your account is not too new or has had recent changes in credit limits. Once you reach to the official website of Capital One, here you will need to ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will need to scroll down, and at the very bottom here in this section under support, you will be able to see this help center option. Click on this help center, and once you reach to this page, from here you will need to scroll down and select this credit cards. Click on this get help with cards option, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here you will need to scroll down, and at the very first you will be able to see increase your credit limit option. Here it says that you might be eligible for credit limit increase. And from here you'll be able to request for your credit limit. Here you can click on this request a credit line increase option or the link. And once doing that, you will need to provide necessary financial details like income and housing cost. After filling out the form, you'll be able to request for your credit limit on Capital One. So by following these steps, you should be able to increase your credit limit with Capital One. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.